Hello, students. Welcome to the revision class of your chapter number 11, Reflection of Light. Okay, and today we are going to revise the whole chapter. So, I hope all of you are with your textbook and you have to mark the important points also. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's quickly revise the entire chapter. So here in the very first topic which we have learned in this chapter is mirror and the different types of mirror. Okay, all of you are aware about this that there are two types of mirror. Okay, so first you need to confirm with this that what is mirror, what is exactly mirror. Okay, so mirror is what? A surface which reflects the light and create a clear image. Okay, so it is called as what? Mirror. Very easy. This chapter is very easy and very important also because this chapter is based on your next standards 2 chapters. Okay, तो 10th में जो 2 chapters हैं वो ये चैप्टर के ऊपर पूरे डिपेंडेंट है. सो दैट फॉर दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस चैप्टर वेरी वेल सो दैट you will understand the next year content also. Okay, so mirror is which surface? Mirror is a reflecting surface. Okay, and we use various types of mirrors in our day to day life. Okay, तो अभी तो रिसेंटली बहुत सारे ऐसे डिफरेंट डिज़ाइन वाले मिरर्स मार्केट में आए हैं. ओके, सो बट वी नो 2 टाइप्स ऑफ मिरर. ओके, हमें बस 2 ही टाइप के मिरर पता है. दैट इज़ यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट इज प्लेन मिरर. ये मिरर हमारे सबके घर में होता है. ये सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज विच मिरर? प्लेन मिरर. ओके, and this mirror also you have seen, obviously you have seen. So this mirror is which mirror? It is a spherical mirror. Okay, you can see, you have to understand this by their shape also. So here you can see they have the plane surface, here the plane surface, plane reflecting surface, and here you can see the spherical shape mirror. Okay, so 2 types of mirrors are there, plane and spherical. So first see what is plane mirror. Okay, plane mirror are used in various activities in our day to day life. Yes, very true. What is this mirror consist of? Okay, so a mirror which is made by coating the black surface of a flat and smooth glass piece with a thin and reflecting film of aluminium or silver. Okay, so it is made up of a reflecting film of aluminium or silver. Here you can see this is the surface which is plane and reflecting surface. What do you mean by reflecting surface? Okay, when you stand in front of this mirror, what you observe? Your reflection in the mirror. Okay, yes, so this is called as which surface? Reflecting surface. Okay, so here the 2 diagrams are given, very easy. Here what happened? Let's take an example that this is a plane mirror. Okay, you're standing over here. Okay, so what happens? Incident ray, it falls on this plane mirror and it again reflect back within the same mirror. Okay, so that you will observe your image in this. Okay, now here you can see this is the plane mirror. Again this is a plane mirror. Pencil is there. Pencil is a one kind of object. Okay, which is there in front of mirror. तो क्या होता है? We will see its reflection in the mirror. Yes, but here you can see, is there any change in the pencil? No, there is no change in the pencil. Size of the pencil, pencil भी वैसी की वैसी है, उसकी size भी वैसी है. Yes, so the object never change when we look into the mirror. Okay, हमारी भी जैसे हम मिरर के सामने खड़े हो जाएंगे वैसे ही हमको उसका रिफ्लेक्शन देखने को मिलेगा. ओके, यस, सो हियर फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट द साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट रिमेन सेम व्हेन it look into the mirror. When we placed that object in front of mirror, our size also matters. Okay, size जो है वो वैसे की वैसी ही रहती है. Okay, now the second type of mirror is a spherical mirror. Okay, so spherical mirror, which means what? Here you can see they are curved. Okay, so these mirrors are curved. Okay, and the images formed by curved mirrors are different from those formed by plane mirror. ठीक है. Yes, for example, rear view mirrors in car which enables drivers to see the vehicles coming from the behind, so they are called as which mirror? Curved mirror. Okay, so you have observed these types of mirror. Now here the spherical mirror, it having two types of mirror. One is a concave mirror. Here you can see a concave mirror, and this is a convex mirror. So spherical mirror having how many types? Two types. Concave mirror, which means what? If the inner surface of the spherical mirror is a reflecting surface, then it is a concave mirror, and you will see a magnifying a large image through this concave mirror. But what about convex mirror? Here the outermost surface of the spherical mirror is a reflecting surface. ओके, तो कॉन्वेक्स मिरर मतलब कौन से मिरर होते हैं? द मिरर ऑफ कार, व्हीकल्स. ओके, yes, so they are called as convex mirror, so that you can see the object, you can see some vehicle which are coming from your behind. Okay, so that will appear as a smaller, so that you will get a lot of information, lot of pictures of the things which are coming from your behind in this image, in this mirror. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? इमेज बहुत बड़ा होके दिखता है. हियर व्हाट वी विल सी? स्मॉल स्मॉल इमेजेस. ठीक है. ओके, सो दिस आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ विच मिरर? स्फेरिकल मिरर. Now there are some terms which are related to the spherical mirror. What are these terms? Here you can see this is a pole of the mirror. Okay, ये mirror है, and here P is called as what? Pole of the mirror. Okay, here this is called as principal axis. Okay, this is called as principal axis. C is what? Center of curvature. And R, radius of curvature. Here you can see CA and CP is called as radius of curvature. And F is what? Here you can see focal length, and this is principal focus over here. So these are some terms which are related to the spherical mirror. Okay, now here how to draw a reflected rays. Here you can see AQ is an incident ray and QB is a reflected ray, because what happens, जब AQ इंसिडेंट हो रही है मिरर पे, तब QB क्या होगी? रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगी ऑब्वियसली. सो हियर AQC and CQB, they are equal. This both angles are equal. Okay, now there are some rules for drawing the ray diagrams. This we have already studied so many times. Yesterday we have taken revision also. Again we are going to revise. So what is the first rule? Okay, when the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, this is the principal axis, then what happened? Reflected ray passed through the principal focus. F is a principal focus. So this is first rule. Now the second rule is, when the incident ray passes through the principal focus, passes through F, that is principal focus, then reflected ray की क्या होती है? It is parallel to the principal axis. This is second rule. And here the third rule is, when the incident ray passes through the center of curvature, here you can see is a center, C is a center of curvature, then reflected ray, it travels to the same plane. Okay, it doesn't change its direction, it goes along with the same path again. Okay, so these are the three rules which we have studied. Now here you can see, according to that rule, both the diagrams are given over here. Here you can see this is a incident ray AS. Okay, and यहाँ पे क्या हो रही है? First rule, it will the second reflected ray goes to the principal यहाँ से जा रही है focus से. Okay, principal focus से. Yes, now here you can see this is the AQ is passing through the focus and it gets parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so here you can see two types of images are formed. A, B, ये क्या है? This is an object और इसका reflection कहाँ पे form होता है? A dash, B dash पे. Okay, so this is the image which we will get over here. Okay, so this image is which image? This is a real image and erect, real and erect. Here you can see this image is a virtual image because ये image कहाँ पे form हो रहा है? Mirror के पीछे, behind the mirror. Okay, so this image is called as virtual image and this image is always bigger than the object. Okay, यहाँ पे you can see the object छोटा है और ये बड़ा है. Yes, so the image will form is a bigger than the object. Okay, after that we have seen one kind of activity, okay, that it is there in your textbook, and after that we have seen the images formed by concave mirrors. We have drawn all this positions and position of object, position of image, so go through that video. Okay, now here you can see images formed by concave mirror. Here sorry, images formed by convex mirror. Concave mirror का already हमने देखा. Now images formed by convex mirror. Okay, so here images formed by convex mirror. What happened? Here you will get a virtual image. यहाँ पे देखो mirror के behind image will form. So it is called as a virtual image. A dash B dash is the image which we will get over here. Okay, yes. So here you can see this is the incident ray फिर ये center of curvature से जा रही है. Okay, yes, this is the object and you will see its reflection in the mirror behind the mirror. तो कभी भी इमेज जब है behind the mirror फॉर्म होता है तब उसको virtual image कहते हैं. ठीक है. Okay, now divergence and convergence of light. Here you can see matchsticks are there. In a first, here you can see the heads are separated. Okay, and uncoated region जो है वो एक ही जगह पे focused हो रहा है. Yes, so here this is called as divergence. Why divergence? Because heads are diverged. They are separated from each other. Okay, they are not showing one particular focusing path. They are separated here and there. So that is called as divergence. But here in the second, you will see that the coated region, that is heads of the matchsticks, are focusing to one point. This is the one point where they are focusing. So this is called as what? Convergence. Okay, so this is convergence and divergence of light. Same thing happens over here, that is here you can see a concave mirror. Okay, so concave mirror में क्या हो रहा है? It is focusing to one point. It is focusing to one mirror only. Here you can see all the light rays, they are parallel to each other and they are focusing to one path. Okay, but here you can see convex में क्या होता है? All the light rays, they are moving here and there. They don't follow the same path. Okay, they don't follow the same path and they are moving separately from each other. So it is a picture of convex mirror का images form कैसे होता है वो. Okay, now we have seen uses of concave mirrors, uses of convex mirror. कहाँ पे used होता है? You all know that. Read this very carefully. You will understand it better. Okay, then we have seen Cartesian sign convention. Okay, left side of the mirror, all the distance measured towards the right are taken to be positive यहाँ पे, और left में होता है वो negative. Then upward is always positive, then downward is negative. So this is Cartesian sign convention. Mirror formula we have learned 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. V मतलब क्या? Image distance. Okay, and here U is object distance and F is what? Focal length. Okay, and then we have learned magnification due to spherical mirror. Okay, so spherical mirror का magnification का formula क्या है? Im is equal to height of the image form divided by height of the object. So that is h2 upon h1. Okay, for numerical this is very important. So remember this magnification formula very well. ठीक है, so this is all about your this revision chapter. Go through the video, and if you haven't watched, if you have skipped some tutorial video, please go that, please watch that, and after that you have to revise the whole content. Okay, thank you.